This tutorial describes the importing and exporting of calculated properties. If we have a molecule and we've computed something about it, say we've done a wave function, for example, we may want to export some of these properties that we've computed. Not every property is available for export, but the spectrum, UV and IR spectrum are. The orbitals can be exported, that is the wave function, or the dipole moment. These go, when they're exported, they go into text files that can be read back in, imported again, or used in other programs. They're text files, and if you want to import some orbitals calculated by other programs into HyperChem, for example, you can do so because this is a text description of an orbital that's created in these files. So in this case, we just say that we want to export the orbitals, choose the file name. These are ext files that are created, and so we just give it a name, say chem.ext, save it, and we have those properties. So for example, if we were to start over again, create a water molecule, we would not have computed any orbitals. It doesn't have any orbitals. However, if we were to import the orbitals from a file, and in this case we choose this chem.ext file that we just created a moment ago, and import those, we would now have the orbitals in HyperChem, even though we'd done a new a minute ago. And these orbitals, we could look at these orbitals, display them, and so on and so forth, because we've imported them into HyperChem from outside. In this case, one could create that external file to be imported in another program if one wanted to. So that's how import and export basically work.